In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your Jumia app to the latest version. So updating your Jumia app to the latest version will help you get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to get enhanced security features that come with this Jumia app. You'll also be able to fix a lot of bugs and a lot of problems that are associated with the older version of Jumia app. Now to do this, it is quite simple, and before I get into it, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. So there are two ways you can do it. If you're using an Android smartphone, then you can update your Jumia app through Google Play Store. However, if you're using an iPhone, then you can update your Jumia app through App Store. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll be able to update it through Google Play Store. So the first thing you need to do is to get out of Jumia and then proceed to Google Play Store. Now from here, go ahead and search for Jumia, and here's our app. Then tap on it to open. Now you can see we have two options here, uninstall and open. If you see yours written open, it means you already have the latest version of Jumia app. However, if you see this written update, then it means you have been using an outdated version of Jumia app. Now to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest Jumia app and install it on your smartphone. Once it is done, then just tap on open, and then this will take you back to your app, and now you can start using the latest version of Jumia app. So that's how you get the latest version of Jumia app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.